And I call to order the November 17, 2018 meeting of the New Caney Independent School District, the time being 11:02. Let the minutes show that a quorum is present with all members in attendance, with Mr. Monroe and Mr. Wooten absent. Please rise for the invocation to be given by Mr. Mixon and remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance. In honor of the Texas flag to be led by Mr. Trout.
Let's pray. Heavenly Father, we want to thank you for this day and this weather. We just ask, Lord, that you continue to put your hand on this district, our students, and in particular, Lord, just the leadership of this board, Lord, that you just continue to guide us in the direction that you would have us to go, and that we do everything that's in your name. We thank you for all that you do in your name. We pray. Amen.
Amen.
I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Item number 2 on the agenda is canvass the election results. All board members who provided a copy of the official results as provided by Harris County and Montgomery County. Is there a motion to accept the results of the November 6, 2018 Trustees election and declare the winner as Wendy Sharp, Chad Turner, Ricky Warwick?
So moved.
Motion has been moved and seconded. There being no further discussion, a vote will be taken. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? The motion has been approved. We will now bring up myself, Mr. Warwick, and Ms. Sharp, and we will be sworn in by Miss Angie Lee.
That's on this side. There you go.
You guys will all raise your right hand and just repeat after me. I state your name.
Ricky Warwick.
Wendy Sharp.
Chad Turner.
Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the duties of the office
the duties of the office
of School Board Trustee
of School Board Trustee
of the State of Texas
of the State of Texas
and will to the best of my ability
and will to the best of my ability
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution
and the laws of the United States
and the laws of the United States
and of this state, so help me God.
and of the state, so help me God.
Congratulations, you guys.
And Wendy can take our seats right here.
Item number 3 on the agenda will recognize the receipt of the board. I, being the presiding officer, I will control the meeting at this point. Do we have a nomination for president?
I nominate Chad Turner.
Second.
All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? So Chad Turner will be the new president. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Now, do we have a nomination for vice president?
I nominate Craig Mixon.
Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Craig Mixon will now be new vice president.
Congratulations.
Craig. Are there any nominations for board secretary?
I'll nominate Ms. Harrell.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Ms. Harrell will be secretary. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'd like to accept nominations for assistant secretary.
I nominate Ty Trout.
Do we have a second?
Second.
Thank you.
All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All those in, yeah. So congratulations to Ty Trout, he'll be Assistant Secretary. Congratulations, Mr. Trout. Item 4 on the agenda is consideration, the consent calendar consisting of personnel reports. Is there a motion to approve the consent calendar as presented?
Second.
The motion has been moved and seconded. There will be no further discussion. A vote will be taken. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed? Motion has been approved. This board meeting will be adjourned at 11:07.
Wow, that's record time.
That's a good